Vande Mataram. In this video of SEO course, today we will learn about schema markup. What is the schema markup and what are its benefits? Also, how can we practically implement schema markup? So friends, schema markup is one way to help the search engine in understanding the data on the website in a very structured way. Alright? And it helps to make the website SEO friendly, and also it is the part of on-page SEO. And this will give various other benefits to our ranking. Because the better we can make our website structure and the data understandable to search engine, the more it will prioritize our website, and also the more SEO friendly our website will be, the faster it will rank on Google or maybe on any other search engine. Alright. So now as you can see on my screen here, and here you can see under schema markup. Basically these are 9 different types of schemas given here. Organizational, FAQ, breadcrumb, recipe, article, local business, event, person and video. Now in this I will show you an example, means I will practically show you how to create organizational schema markup and how to implement it on a website. And similarly the remaining 9 can also be done. Now we will come here. So see, here I am showing you an example, like suppose if someone has searched for Mercedes-Benz on Google. Alright. So on right side you can see all the details of Mercedes-Benz is presented in a very systematic way. So this is basically schema markup, and if your website is using it, then all the details related to it will also show up on Google in this way. Okay. And this looks professional and it is SEO friendly also. Now for doing it in this way, what do we have to do, friends? This website that we have created, it's specifically for teaching you SEO. So we've opened the website, then we opened its WP admin. Now I'll write in new tab. Then I will write the schema markup generator, then search it on the Google. First website that will come is technicalseo.com. Click on it. It will take us to the page of generator. Now here we need to create the structure of the organization. Alright. So in this we will see which schema.org markup would you like to create. So here I have all the ones that I have shown you. All 9 are here. I want to create the organization one. So when I will click on the organizational point. So here I have done this, and now here the rest of the options are now available under organization. So what is organization type? Here I'll select corporation. Okay. Then here I will add the name as well. Marketing Fundas. Alright. And what URL should I put here? So here I will go to my homepage, and from there I'll copy and put the URL of homepage. Now I need to put in the logos URL, so I'll go to the website. There I'll do right click on logo. Okay. And here I will open this. Now to get the URL of the logo, what I will do right click on my logo. After right clicking here, I'll click on copy image address and it will be copied. As you can see, I will paste the URL and show you. See, this is my logo. Now we'll close it. Now where the logo URL is being asked, I'll paste it there. And you can see on the right hand side, my entire code is shown. Okay. And also if you need to add any contact, then I will add the phone number and all the other details here. Okay. So I'm not adding these details now. I'm adding my social media profile details, like I went to YouTube. And then after going on YouTube, I will put in the link of the YouTube channel. Okay. Here I'll search Marketing Fundas. Now after copying this, we will come here. And then here I will put in the URL of YouTube. Okay. So in this way, as you can see the entire code here, and it has been generated in very systematic way, right? Okay. Now how will I apply this code in the website? That I will teach you here. All right. Now friends, this code that I have taken, so I will copy this code from here in a very simple way, and then we'll go to the website's admin. In admin, you'll download a plugin HFCM. I have already downloaded it. If you don't have it, then go to the WordPress admin, and from there you can download a plugin HFCM. Now when I'll click here, I will click on add new. As I'll click on add new, I'll come down. Then we'll give the snippet name. And here we'll write organization schema. Okay. And here in the site display, we have to do on site wide. So we will do that. And here I will paste the code that I have copied, and then here I will paste it. All right. Okay. So here I have saved it, and now this is updating. Okay. So after saving it, Now I will go to my website and I will refresh it once. Okay. After refreshing, here, now we will go to the view page source. So we've come to view page source. Now we'll look at schema and we'll see where the code is being displayed. Now friends, as you can see here, when I have searched here by using the word schema, so in my code there is schema and organization schema. And all the other details that I have added here like URL, logo, everything is showing here. And this code, this is the same code that I have copied it from here. So in the same way, you can also use different schemas like markup, organization, logo and videos and generate all of them and apply that code to your website. It's the same way. And in this way, you can make the website SEO friendly. It's also a very important factor of on-page SEO. All right. So I hope you have understood it well. Thank you.